In the remote forests of northern Myanmar, there resides a unique primate known as the sneezing monkey, or Rhinopithecus strikeri. Discovered only in 2010, these monkeys have an unusual feature. Their upturned noses cause them to sneeze when it rains. This peculiarity made them famously known and has attracted the attention of researchers worldwide. Unfortunately, the sneezing monkeys are critically endangered, with habitat loss and hunting threats looming large over their survival. Yet conservation efforts are underway, focusing on safeguarding their forest homes and raising awareness. This extraordinary creature not only highlights the hidden wonders of our planet's biodiversity, but also underscores the pressing need for conservation action.